everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this God is Love card. I love this card. I love this stamp set. It is really pretty. It's one of our $1 Million achievers who designed this, Brandy Cox. So it's absolutely gorgeous stamp set. So here's the stamp set right here, and it is a bundle. And it bundles with the Cross of Hope framelits. So here's the framelits, and I've already taken a couple out of here. I've taken this little banner and then the cross that you see right here. So those all come in it also. So this bundle is on page 27 of the new Occasions catalog. So it's right here. And the framelits are right there. So it's super, super pretty. And if you buy the bundle, you save 10%. This is more of an encouragement card, I would say. But it's like a floating heart on there. I use some window sheet, and then I stamp the sentiment right behind there. It says, I have made you, I will carry you, I will sustain you, and I will rescue you. And it's the Isaiah 46:4. But it's so beautiful. So this is the card that I'm sharing today. I kept it real monochromatic because I love that look. So let's go ahead and get started with this. There is a little bit more cutting with the big shot and stuff with this, but it's really easy to put together, especially because I'm using our permanent adhesive sheets. So Stampin' Up! Has these adhesive sheets, and what I already did was I put it on my real red cardstock on the back here, and then I'm going to run this through the big shot, and then it's going to already have the adhesive on it. So this way you're not going to see the adhesive on the back of the window. So that is what we're doing. Now we're going to need a piece that is basic card, and this is 5.5 by 4 1/4, so it's 8.5 by 5 1/4, or 8.5 by 5.5, and scored at 4 1/4. My brain just doesn't want to work this today. And then you're going to need another piece, and this piece is 5 1/4 by 4. Yeah, 5 1/4 by 4, and I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to make a back to cover the window sheet, so we're going to use it on this side. So what I'm going to do for this is I am going to use some of my repositional adhesive, and I'm just going to put a couple pieces here just to keep it in place, and this rubs off after. And I'm just going to center it here on this Whisper White. I know it's going to be a little bit hard for you to see. And then we're going to run this way. When I put the window through here, it's going to be, the holes will line up, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp with this beautiful flower here. We're going to stamp the front using real red. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to keep it folded because I want to stamp kind of off on this too. So we're just going to start stamping. I'm just going to try to like intertwine the pieces here. Ugh, I messed that one up. We'll see if we can fix that. Yeah. This is a big stamp, so you do have to ink it really good. I'm trying to go all different ways and kind of fit it in here, in each other. You're not going to see it all because some of it is going to be cut out where the hole is, the oval is. But it makes a really pretty background. See, let's just stick a little one here. I just like it to look like it's kind of wallpaper, where it all looks like it's all one continuous piece. So that is going to be it for that. And then we're going to go ahead and run that through the Big Shot. Let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment on a piece of, we could do all the Big Shot work at the same time. We'll stamp that on the Whisper White, the God is Love, again using the Real Red. This way we can do all our Big Shot work at the same time. Got a little bit of red on there. So there is that. And I think that's it, and we're ready to cut. So let's get the Big Shot. I'm using my magnetic platform, my base plate, and then this card. We are going to center the oval, the largest oval on here. Not the largest, the second largest. The largest is going to create our frame. So let's center that. Hopefully I got that centered. And then we're going to run that through. So that's going to create our opening, just like that. And then we are going to take this piece, and that's our smaller one. We're going to layer it with a larger one, just like that. Layer it inside each other. I try to make sure it's about the same. And then we're going to run our cross through at the same time. And this is the adhesive on the back. And I'm going to run this one through a couple times because the cross is really detailed. I may need to use my little brush for that because it's got the adhesive. It's going to probably be a little bit harder to break through. So here's our little frame. We'll set that aside. And then we are going to cut out our banner with the little banner framelit. Oops, that's upside down. Just like that. And by the way, save that oval because it's got adhesive and everything on it, and you can use it. So with the adhesive on the backing of this cross, it may give me a little bit of difficulty to get it off. So let's get this one. Let's see how it's going to be. I may just have to poke these through. Yeah, see, this one didn't. I'm going to have to run this through again because it didn't go all the way through there. I should use my precision platform for this. It would really work a whole lot better. I'm just going to run it through again and see if I can get it to go through all. The other one I didn't put the adhesive back on. I just used the glue, and then I forgot I had the adhesive sheets. Let's see how that looks. I think most of it is through. Yeah, we can poke all these out. Just want to make sure they're all there. Okay. Let's see if I can get them out with my little brush here. This usually works a lot quicker. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. There's just a couple tiny little ones. So use your precision platform. Boy, I told you I couldn't talk today. Or just run it through several times. Alright, so we got that all ready. And I think we're ready to put this together. So on this piece here, I'm just going to lift it off gently, and then you can rub this off. It rubs right off. And it doesn't matter because we're going to put it back on over the window sheet. So for the window sheet, you're going to need a piece, I believe this is 4 by 3. Yeah, a piece that is 4 by 3. We're going to just adhere this on. Make sure I have enough adhesive on here. So we're going to adhere that on here. I got something on there. Oh my goodness, it's black, of course. There we go. Center that on here. And then just add adhesive to this. And you'll have a clean inside. And then just center it right over that hole. Make sure you put it on the right way. It does have a certain way that it'll go on. Okay, so that is it for the inside of that. So now we are ready to attach the cross. And this will adhere. Look at how great that is. And all your adhesive's already on there. We're going to center that. This is so much easier. The other one had so much goop and stuff on it, it just didn't look right. Let's go ahead and do the frame, because we have adhesive on that one too. Definitely going to use this more on smaller pieces. And you're just going to put the frame around the edge here. And then we're going to add the God is Love, and we're going to just use some fast fuse on the ends here. I'm going to put that right here, down towards the bottom, so we want to see the cross. And then we're going to stamp the sentiment on the inside, right underneath that. You can actually use one of these circles to, you can trace it, or, because you want to line up your, you can actually do it like this and then trace around it. I'm just going to make a couple little marks with my pencil. I had my pencil out. I actually put everything away for once. And then we're going to just stamp that sentiment in that area right there. So we have an idea. It's so pretty. And it looks really pretty behind, the words look really pretty behind it. Okay, so you're going to want to erase those little marks that you made to guide you. And I also thought about using some little leaves on the inside here. Like just adding maybe a little bit down here. You can even put it up there, but I think I'm just going to do it on the bottom there so you don't see it through there. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to use some little rhinestones. And we're going to put these rhinestones on the outside here on the cross. It's really pretty. Just like that to finish it off. So that's it, everyone. Look how cute. I think it looks really pretty. And with the words behind it, it just really looks really pretty. I was wondering how I was going to get the sentiment on there. And then I thought, you know, I'm going to just use it, put it right behind it. And it ended up turning out, I thought, really nicely. So here's the other one. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog. It's stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. I hope that you all have a blessed day. I will catch you in the next one, everyone. See you later. Bye.